I'm Archie Collins, President and CEO of Tampa Electric, and I'm speaking to you today from Plant City. Today marks 72 hours since we started our restoration efforts following the passage of Hurricane Ian on Thursday morning. I want to provide our customers with an update on how we have progressed so far and what our plans are for the path forward. But first, I want to extend some thank yous. First and foremost, I want to thank our customers for your patience, for your understanding, and for your support of our line crews as they have been out in the community returning your power to service. Secondly, I'd like to thank the thousands of external contractors who have agreed to come to the state of Florida to restore power. Your efforts make a big difference in this community, and we are so appreciative. And finally, a huge thank you to the employees of Tampa Electric, who are your neighbors, your friends. They are so committed to restoring power as quickly and as safely as we possibly can. Restoration on the whole is going extremely well. Since Thursday morning, we have restored power to more than 93% of the 295,000 customers who were without power on Thursday morning. And more specifically, we have restored power to 99% of our customers on the west side of the I-75 corridor. As you all know, our community was spared the worst of Hurricane Ian's force. And while it was a glancing blow, we still did experience Category 1 and Category 2 force winds, especially on the eastern portions of our service territory, which would include Winter Haven, Plant City, Polk County, and eastern Hillsborough County. For the most part, our infrastructure held up extremely well. The type of damage that we are dealing with is largely the result of large trees that have come down and brought down our conductors along the way. This type of work is time-consuming, dangerous, but we are working as aggressively and as urgently as we can to get power restored. By the end of today, we expect that more than 95% of our customers will be restored. That means that there will be some customers in harder hit areas with more complex repairs that will not be energized by the end of day today. But please know that we have you, and we will continue to work 24/7 until customers are restored. Our employees are working as quickly as they can, as safely as they can, to have your power restored. If your power is not restored by the end of the day, you can expect to hear from Tampa Electric. Thank you for your patience. At Tampa Electric, we value the trust that you place in us, and we are committed to maintaining the confidence that you have invested in us. Thank you, everyone.